Just want to sneak up on these little guys. There you go. Oh, come back. Sit down here. Hang on, little fella. Don't you fly away. He might let me sit down, he might not. Yeah, he might. And pumpkin vine is out of control. Something just bit another bite. Oh, there's a storm coming. Oh, here we go. Come on. What are you doing? And braver and braver. Come on. This goes around. I can't really see them. Oh, there's one up there. Oh. Oh, hello. Thanks for biting my bum. Oh, good. I can't zoom in and I don't know how to zoom in. Oh, and now on the washing line. The lorikeets never hang around long when there's a storm coming. You get mushed. Oh my guys are sitting out. Oh! There's a glass. Stop biting. Hey, hey! Stop it. Up in that tree. Oh, couldn't get up. Look around here. Oh, there's a big cockatiel up there. I've got to find him. My garden's all dying. Right, fly away. You fly away. My jasmine's a bit sick. I say my jasmine's actually not. But pumpkin. Whoa! Lorikeets! Low flying. These are my little guys. What are you doing? Oh, come back. Yeah. Didn't work out very well, did it? Oh, and a butterfly nearly ran into me. There's these guys. There's a galah. Hello. I don't know if I'm looking at the right place with the camera because I can't. Oh, there's the cockatoo. It's right up top. This big old tree. Hey, cockatoo. There's another one over there somewhere. They blend in so well, even though they're white. Oh, there we go. Okay, I guess he's a bit camera shy. And there's a big garden, and there's a pigeon or something. Bubbling along. I think it's dead, and it was my pumpkin vine. I think that one's dead. I think the safest so we can mow that one over because I didn't get out here to water it. Small backyard compared to my new one. Oh, there's the galahs. They're waiting for me to go. 1, 2, I can see 3. And a lorikeet. Oh no, that's a king parrot. Oh, there's another one up there. Another galah. Oh, huge. I don't know how to make it zoom, but I don't. So I guess I'll have to figure that out. Oh! Far out, the wind is catching them. I'll have to, whoa! Okay. I'm having a nosh. It's my other guys in here. So they argue all the time. Always arguing. The baby ones. Baby's arguing. There's another one. Hello, my little darlings. It's gonna rain. Yeah, I'll have to come back down. Hello. Oh, the damn wire makes it impossible for me to show you them. Hello, pretty boy. Come and say hello to the camera. Come on. Oh, hello. Hello, peekaboo. Come on. Come on. Yeah, you're not chewing it. You're not chewing my hand either. That. Hello, my boy. Come on down and say hello. Say hello. 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 Say hello, baby. Hello, baby. Hello, baby. It's a good boy. Hello, baby. You're just curious, aren't you, hey? What have you got there? What have you got? He acts like he wants a pat, and then you go to pat him and he'll move. Oh, hello. Hello. Not eating it. No, no. Where are you going? Come back. He's going down here to see if I put anything in his bowl, but he's already got stuff in there. Batty. Oh. Yeah, pretty boy. Singing a little song. This one's doing alright because this one actually gets water. Although I get a bit scared that there may be something slithery in there. There's lots of flowers, but I don't know if they'll actually ever get any pumpkins. Ow! Pumpkins are always so nasty. It's climbing up. It's a climbing pumpkin. I don't think it's going to. Oh, hello, he's back. Look. Hello. And that's all my other little guys. He's like, hello. Hello. What are you doing? He's nodding up and down. I don't know what he's doing. Oh, look, I think they're chickens. They just lay eggs. No breeding this year because I'm moving, so she's a little bit funny because he's been a bit rough. The boys are a bit rough sometimes. And there they are over there. They won't let me get close enough. I'm not sure how to zoom it. In fact, I don't think I can. Fail number 1. Can't zoom. Oh, comes the rain. Thunder, lightning. No, me holding up this like this would be like a lightning conductor. Bzz, 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 bzz. Not good. Hey, you guys. There's enough seed for everybody. Although if it starts raining, I'll have to pick it up. Oh. And they're squabbling. Look. They're so mean to each other. It's the girls too. The girls bitch and fight. What are you doing? Being silly. Yeah, there's all my budgies. Oh, scared ya. These are all my budgies that... Oh, got brighter. What was I missing? They're all old. Well, there's a couple of babies in there that are from last year or the year before. Took your mate out, good on ya. Still at it. Hey! Freaking hell. Stop fighting. You blend in with it. Geranium really well. You like the same colour. Except for you, Mr. Red Boy. And then these fellas over here. Hello. Oh. The bars make it super hard. Let's do this. Action camera. Accidentally let them out. I'll be in trouble. These are my beautiful babies. Oh, that's close. Good grief. Yeah, they don't like it. They like it.